Good morning, everyone. Bright, early, and somewhat windy, but nice and chilly, but at least it's not raining. Day at Cadwell. Time attack, first time attack event. No without issues. This thing is here, but I'm not going to be running it for one good reason. That's a good one! Yeah, content! Yep, what do we find? We find an exploded bearing. Yeah, 5 days to go, and now we need to completely rebuild the gearbox. Requires a new casing. And yeah. And then 3 days later, ta-da! Yeah, that's a new gearbox. That's the old gearbox. Basically, the whole case needed to be swapped. This is the older O2M with correct bearings and everything. All the internals are the same. There wasn't too much damage. The bearings are replaced. It's all shimped, so now it's ready to put it back in. We're 2 days until the time attack. All right, let's go. The gearbox, yes, it's been fixed, but it's still making a rattling noise.
Clutch down.
I don't think it's safe enough to run, and I don't want to take the chances. And a big benefit of being Team Rasky Weld Shed, we have a spare, the Penguin. Come to the rescue again. So what we need to do is just apply some stickers, and I'll be running that. So at least we are all in the same boat, Eddie and Michael. Yeah, let's proceed.
1 hour later.
All right, guys, this is it. All the stickers applied. Penguin, the extra car, the extra support vehicle, the one and only, saved my bacon more than once. Yeah, first session. Let's see what's gonna happen. Not planning to win any prizes or any competitions. Just gonna have some fun, hustle these things. I think we have a small wager, 20 quid between us each. If I beat, probably not beating Eddie. Michael, I can beat Michael, hopefully. Regardless, wish us luck. Getting ready for our second session. It started with the rain, so we'll see. Oh, bollocks. as you've seen, this was amazing fun. In the wet is totally different game, but to my feeling, pretty close. But what was surprise with Michael Hume. Hey, he's a fast, pesky little bug, this guy is. Yeah, I think that's
Hi
right.
guys.
Hi guys.
I think I won that one.
Have you now? No, you haven't. So we're about to start our third session. The weather is still abysmal. Abysmal? That's a fancy word, isn't it? Yeah, it rains pretty hard. I heard there's well, some of the corners it's like a river. We'll see. The whole event is being run pretty late. I think we've been stationary here for about 40 minutes now. Again, it's not down to organizers, it's just the weather, wet accidents, and we're about to set off. beside the wall. I can see it over there. But I have to say, this was pretty interesting. I'm gonna have some words with Eddie. Yeah, he didn't bloody want to let me pass. Granted, he probably didn't see me because I cannot see anything in the back of my mirrors anyways. So I'm gonna have a word with him. We're clearly on Rain Sports 3s. When the weather is like this, it's faster than the 52s. I reckon we found the limit of the 052s. So quite excited about that. So much standing water, but I don't know. Hopefully we'll get a little bit more time to race.
Eventually.
That's it, folks. It's done. It was getting too dangerous. I guess understandable. It was pretty bloody wet in places. So what can I say? Let me switch this thing off. First experience at Time Attack. Brilliant. I mean, brilliant fun. Well, it's a bit like sprinting. As soon as you start doing it competitively rather than just a track day, everything changes. Your whole understanding of a circuit and how you want to drive it, completely different. So on that level is like, yeah, cool. I'm still buzzing, you know. If regardless of that, Novichok is not finished, and then I've been in a replacement, which is, by the way, Andy, you're a star. You're the best. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Yeah, the weather really let us down, like proper this time. So unfortunately, yeah, they had to cut it close as in short. Yeah, hopefully next one at the Brands Hatch, if I can fix mine, is going to be good. So until then, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.